Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, February 22, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, February 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 22, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. the result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, February 22, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for February 22, 2026, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, February 22, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.